Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new viewer, please do hit the subscribe button and also likes and comments and share it with your friends. In this video, I'm going to be how to make back testing. Let's start with the video. First, I am going to be upstox pro and check it. Anyone share? I think you will go to HDFC Bank. This is most improvement bank and most top 10 banks in India. HDFC Bank. I'm going to be 15 minutes candle. I am do it. I think only I make trend line. I make only trend line. Any no indicator I am using. Just I using trend line. This is the trend, This is the down trend, Just check it for trend line. How to draw the trend line. Line. Click the red button. Click the red candle. And we will draw the trend line. Okay, fine. This is the trend line, I draw first, touch it, and second touch it, and third touch and break the trend line. Just you sell the your selling price is 1179. This is the sell. You take properties. This is the blue candle. You taking the break trend line candle. You take the profit. This is the main thing you will do. And second opportunity you will getting this day, that day you will make another trend line. Okay, let's problem. This draw the trend line. What is this? This is any other issue, don't worry. What is this here? I just draw the trend line. See, if you draw the trend line and you will enter this buying opportunity where we will entire price is 1131 1132.999. you will enter the and profit position is, I think maybe you will take profit position 1160. I think difference is 50 rupees you will getting make profit. This is the good strategy, First you check the back test, how to work, how do you work, and test, and we will enter for market situation where we want, where we go. This is the all type of practice. Just practice, you don't lose money in stock market, because you do work anything and make money. Just you making more opportunities, just you making work and decision. First you control your emotion. You can't control, you don't make money in stock market. This is the market structure. And go to next. There is draw the trend line. This is breakdown, and we will enter this shorting opportunity. Yeah, finally guys, that's it for today. If you are new viewer, please subscribe my channel, and thank you so much for watching and subscribe and share our friends. This is all criteria we will do first. And see you, bye bye, take care.